Well, they say when you're in New Orleans, you're supposed to eat a beignet. Honestly, I don't even know what a beignet is, so I'm here at the Musical Legends Park down on Bourbon Street, and I'm fixing to go eat a beignet. Well, I googled beignet. Beignet is spelled B-E-I-G-N-E-T. So I hear it's some kind of fancy donut. So let's go check it out. I'm gonna eat a beignet for the first time. Everybody says when you come to New Orleans, eat a beignet. I don't even know what one is.
It's good. That's what it is. Oh, okay.
That's a beignet?
That's good.
All right, we'll take. Yeah, you want coffee? A couple of coffees. Well, I placed my order. It didn't look like what I thought it was. See, we got a little outdoor seating here. Got a little jazz band playing in the background. Beignets will show up here in a minute and we'll try one for the first time. Well, there's what they look like. Got a nice and hot, big thick thing. I don't know really what's in them, but I'm fixing to try one. Got powdered sugar all over the top. Too big a bite. It's a little messy. Kind of tastes like a donut to me with powdered sugar all over the top. But hey, it's good. I'm in New Orleans, so I tried one. Hey, they're good. So hey, if you enjoyed this little fun video, subscribe to my channel. Next time, catch you later.